The Goa Energy Development Agency conducted an awareness seminar to educate stakeholders on the safe disposal and recycle of used cooking oil. The program stressed the health hazards associated with the repeated using of cooking oil and encouraged hotels, restaurants, and food establishments to hand over UCO to authorized collection agencies for conservation into biodiesel. GEDA said responsible UCO disposal will help protect public health, reduce environmental pollution, and contribute to Goa's clean energy and circular economic goals.
We at Münsterparat, we are focusing on two very important aspects. Number one is the question: how can we dispose used cooking oil out of your your kitchen, of your restaurants, your hotel, in a sustainable and most important, transparent and traceable way? Why? Because today still around 60% of all the used cooking oil collected is not going down, not going to an energy application or energy production. It's still going back to the food chain, causing tremendous health issues, causing a huge impact on people's health and on our kids and our next generation. So this is number one. We are focusing. We need to get used cooking oil out of the food chain and into energy production. And number two, we also focus very strong on the grease trap collection, on grease trap cleaning, on brown grease. Why is it so important? Because today it's Friday, and on Wednesday we had the news in all over Goa that one market was closed down because of floods when monsoon started. And why was it flooded? Because the drainage is blocked, and it's blocked because so much oil is going through the grease trap, but these are not maintained, they are not cleaned, and that's why monsoon is cleaning the grease trap, which has the negative impact of floodings all over, and also of a loss of very valuable feedstock for energy production and other applications. So these are the two things we at Münsterparat are focusing very strong now, also in Goa, collecting used cooking oil in a transparent and safe way, and cleaning of grease traps and brown grease collection in order to keep our streets clean. We had a great interaction today, supported by the Goa State Pollution Control Board, but more important, from GEDA, the Goa Energy Development Agency, where we are really proud to be in such a strong and a good relationship and interaction. We want to support the local authorities to strengthen the legal framework. We want to support also the local authorities to find the proper way that for all the stakeholders along the value chain, from the hotel, the restaurant, the kitchen, where the issues and the waste is generated, down the whole way till this feedstock is ending up in our facilities. We need to strengthen this value chain. We need to create value along this pathway, and we need to focus together on having a strong but doable legal framework, having a clear setup of regulations. This is where we want to work on with the local authorities as well. And if we can create together, the restaurants, the authorities, and us as collection systems, an ecosystem where everybody can profit and gets value out of it, I think it's a success for Goa,